candles. Sorry. Candles, Mommy. Mommy, I'll open the candles. Later. Now. Wait, Mommy. It's Grandma's birthday, Marie. Yeah, it's Grandma's birthday, Marie. Don't touch. Now, Mary, big candle, is it not? Just one candle? Yeah, no, 3 of them. No 3. Daddy. Just one. Daddy. Oh, come here. There's 3 of them. Put 2, okay? Put 2. Okay, that's good enough. Are you videotaping? Okay. Wait. You want to do it too? Here. Now, Daddy. Now, take. Oh, birthday. Now. Do we have enough? No. Are we done? That's done. This more. This way. Okay. Yeah. Hey, okay. Okay. And let's dip it. No, happy. You want to take a picture? Say happy birthday. No, happy birthday to Grandma. No. Happy birthday to Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. Oma. Happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday to Grandma. Right? No, don't touch it. You don't touch the leaf. Happy birthday to Grandma. Wait, don't touch, okay? No, not yet, Louis.
Is that dear? Is that?
No, it's from Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma. Ooh, and fires, right? They fires, right?
Yeah. You don't touch, okay? It's hot.
They say happy birthday, Mommy?
Yeah.
They turn on the lights and say happy birthday, Mommy?
Sure. You want to turn off the light?
Yeah.
Okay, go turn off the light. Oh. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
dear Oma.
You say
Oma.
Happy birthday to you.
Oma. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Okay, turn on the light. Oh. Oh.
Welcome to birthday, right? No. Right? That's yummy. That's yummy, right? It's Grandma's birthday.
Yes, Oma's birthday.
Grandma's birthday. Let's eat it, right?
Yes.
Let's go eat it.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that already. I think I have that.
The flowers,
Let's
Mommy.
do it one more time.
No.
Yeah.
Need this one. Please. This one can do it. Guys, do it.
Okay, now Louis can cut it and then.
Okay, Louis cut it, right?
Yay! Perfect.
Wow. 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 Okay, Mommy, do it. Thank you. Thank you, Louis, for helping Mommy.
And flapped it, right?
Do you want to film the cake disaster or?
Oh, it's fine, right? Okay, your cake. Oh, that's too big. Here. Okay.
Hooray!
Hooray! Marie, this yours. It's too big, huh? It's too big a piece.
No, it's not too big. Hi.
Here.
It's not too big, Mommy.
Here.
I like two, right? Whoa, okay. The flower.
Louis.
I like guac.
Do you like it? Is it too big, Marie?
I think he doesn't really know what to do with it. It's too much, too big. The fork is too heavy.
That's Marie. No, that's Papa, right?
Yes, give it to Papa.
Papa.
Mmm.
Okay, I think too big.
It's not too big. I got the fork.
Yes.
You like it?
No.
You want to do it yourself?
Thank you, no, viral.